When dividing powers with the same base, such as 2 to the 6 divided by 2 to the 4th, now we can see that we have the same base here of 2, and they're each raised to a different exponent. This is equivalent to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And this can reduce down. It's going cancel, 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 cancel. We are left with 2 times 2 over, and of course we always have this multiplied by 1, so 2 over 2 over 1, 2 times 2 over 1, which is 4. There's an easier way to simplify this power when you have dividing powers with the same base. We could have written as 2 to the 6 and then make this a minus 4, which is equivalent to 2 squared. This property comes in handy, once again, with dealing with larger exponents, such as, let's say we had 3 to the 10th power over 3 squared. This would be equivalent to 3 times 3 times 3, but it would get really tedious writing out all our 3's. Let me see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all over 3 times 3. And then we would reduce this by canceling, canceling, canceling. And we're not left with 0 on the bottom. Remember, we always have it multiplied by 1. So this would leave us with 3 to the 8th power. Now, it would have been much simpler to write this as 3 to the 10th and using our property of dividing powers with the same base. 3 to the 10th minus 2, which is equivalent to 3 to the 8th power. The property of dividing powers with the same base may be defined as for every non-zero number A and integers M and N, A to the M divided by A to the nth is equivalent to A to the M minus N. Let's go over one more example. Let's say that we have 5 to the 3rd multiplied by x to the 7th, y to the 4th, and z to the 3rd over, let's say, 5x to the 6th, y squared, z to the, let's say, 2nd power. Now that becomes equivalent to 5. Well, first let's go ahead and make sure that we put a 1 here. Remember, when it's missing an exponent, we place a 1. So let's go back. We have 5 to the 3rd minus 1, x to the 7th minus 6, y to the 4th minus 2, and z to the 3 minus 2, which leaves us with 5 squared x y squared z.